must say man, no, no me not do it. No, no me not, no, so me not do it. Hands up in the leg of concrete. All when the yellow see me and she on me.
As you can see right behind me is the National Stadium. It's the final day of the Boys and Girls Champs of 2019. You're tuned into this week's episode of Predis and I'm your host, Michaela Liana. Coming up in the next half an hour, it's all about the music videos, interviews and events. Your Predis journey starts right now. French Toast Brunch brought out the party people and the socialites recently. We were there just to bring you the highlights.
My time now. I'm not really cooking up. Let's show some support. Take on, turn on the Snapchat and back early. Play some. Wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
Everybody just go and tell you.
All who smell good stuff, put up your hand in here. Arm check, arm check, arm check. Let's get everything go. Every girl. Turn on the man, lady. Show me a little seductive wine, you know. We don't dance party.
She don't sleep.
Anybody get you dancing the good thing them? Check on them. We can tell you know you're burning the money. I'm going to tell you the French and Brown party.
It's a little bit hard to explain. It's a pun on words, a play on words. French toast because it's in the day, so it's toasty, and it's food inclusive, so French toast. So that's why we got the name French toast. What sets us apart is we're wine inclusive. Shout out to Beringer and Benco Premier. We're wine inclusive. And we're also food inclusive.
We just came out early, which is what we wanted. I mean, the ladies are out here looking extravagant. I mean, I'm happy with it, and I'm sure my partners are too. And it's still early. We have 3 hours of party time to go, so we're just getting started. French toast will be held 3 times a year and 1 time abroad. So we're gonna make it like a every quarter event, definitely. I mean, Bedco Premier Limited, Red Bull, Terrace Bar and Grill, Terrace Catering, and a whole array of others. So we must also pick up the Kingston 5 and Maps team for putting on this event as well.
It's my friend's birthday, so we're celebrating with her. Well, the vibes and the people, it's amazing.
Now after all that food from French Toast Brunch, let's wash it all down with another health benefit of drinking water.
This tip is brought to you by Lifespan Spring Water. Share the life. Want to know the easiest way to stay healthy during the cold and flu season? Well, drink more water. One of the most common overlooked benefits of drinking water is a healthy immune system, and drinking water has been directly related to a stronger immune system. Water strengthens your immune system in 2 ways. First, it carries oxygen to your body's cells, which results in properly functioning systems, and secondly, it flushes harmful toxins from your body. Water has also been shown to reduce the risk of bladder cancer by rapidly flushing toxins from your bladder. This tip was brought to you by Lifespan Spring Water. Share the life.
Coming up after the break, it's DJ Mac and Enough Braffins. We'll be right back.
What's up, guys? This is your girl Danique, and I'm here to tell you how you can win big this new year with the Lifespan Dash and Win promotion. From January 4th to April 26th, all you have to do is peel the label on your 500 ml Lifespan and enter the code on our website for your chance to win a brand new 2019 Suzuki Desire, a smart TV, and much more. See the press for details. Approved by the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission.
Change my number, can't stay home, cause you left on my kiss like Sherlock Holmes.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit